Making money online is not that easy as people used to talk about it, whereby you watch video on how to make money online. Some people record like it's kind of like easy for you to make money online without doing any skill or having a certain skill to render on online. So but connecting to the right people and doing the right thing at the right time will definitely make everything easy for you online. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will get notified. So here in this video, I'm going to be discussing about how you can increase or double your earnings as a freelancer. So whereby maybe you are working on Fiverr and Upwork and you are not networking on using some other social media platform or freelancing website to offer the kind of service you are actually rendering on the Fiverr or Upwork. So here in this video, I'm going to share with you some other freelancing platforms that you can actually network with and also offer the kind of service you are offering on the other social media or other freelancing platform, and also some other social media platforms that you can actually use to increase your earnings online. So I'll be sharing with you some other freelancing website that you can actually use and also social media you can actually use to increase your earning either weekly or monthly basis online. If you are a freelancing website design, there is a lot of offer for you and how you can actually increase your earnings online. If you offer a web design service on Fiverr and on Upwork, so there is a way whereby you can actually increase your earnings by reaching out to some business or companies using the Google My Business feature and also using the Instagram feature to reach out to some business that might need your service, either a website for their business an SEO, or redesign their website to make it look more perfect and also increase their own earnings as well on their or in their business. There are a lot of business on Google My Business that are actually not having a website for their company or their brand, and it's not that they decide not to have a website for their brand, but of course people are not reaching out to them, or I should say that they don't have or they don't know the kind of thing that they need to put in place so that they will have a professional website for their business. So but you reaching out to them in the right way and pinching out to them on and why they should have a website for their business or their brand will definitely make them contact you by or reply to your message, whereby they will like to hire you to design a professional website for their brand. There are some business on Instagram as well, like all these all these brands that sell shoes, sneakers, fashion design, clothing and all those stuff like that. So most of them don't have a website for their business. So reaching out to them using the hashtag feature like fashion design, clothing, sneakers and all stuff like that, reaching out to them using the hashtag, you will definitely find a lot of business that do not have a website for their brands or for their business, and of course they actually want to have one because it will definitely increase their earnings as well. So creating or reaching out to all these kind of people will definitely increase your own earnings and also help them in one way or the other to increase their earnings as well. How do you reach out to people using Google My Business, and also how do you reach out to people using Instagram page? So I'll be sharing with you how you can actually reach out to them in this video. So here on my PC right now, so I'll be visiting google.com. So here I'm on google.com, and so I would like to check a plumbing business on or in Toronto or in New York City. So plumbing or plumber, sorry, in New York. So you can see all the keywords that are listed here. So definitely people are searching for plumber in all these cities. So you can see plumber in New York City, plumber in Newbury, plumber in Orleans, plumber in GA, plumber in Newmarket, plumber in New Jersey, plumber in Newport News, VA, and all stuff like that. So just click on plumber in New York. So you can see all this business here. So you can see this one, bargain plumbing and heating. So they have 39 reviews on their Google My Business, and seems some of them actually have a website. So, but that's not what we need. So we're going to check on each of them to see if they actually have a website, to reach out to them. So then you're going to check on their website to see if there is something that the website actually needs to improve, so that it will help them and also increase their earnings. So let's check on this website and see if the website is well designed in the right way. So this is their website. So I'm not actually a professional in website design, but with the look of things, I think this website is actually well designed. So aside from that, maybe their SEO is actually having some issues. Maybe that's what you can actually help them with. So definitely you can still reach out to them to help them increase their website SEO online. So there are different ways in which you can actually reach out to them. So this is their contact phone number, this is the address, and also you can check on their contact us page here. So we have 3 ways in which you can actually contact them. So, and of course there's not every business on this Google have a website. So I'm still going to check more to see. Okay, I think this one doesn't have a website. You can see there's no feature of website here, but you can reach out to them through their phone number. So then you see if they are going to need your service as a website designer. So, and I'm just using this feature as an example, so you get the whole idea on how you can do your own research. If you, aside from this plumber, you can also use let's say cafe in New York City. So you can see this one here. They do not have website too. So, and you can also reach out to them for social media management as well. So you can see here, most of them doesn't have. Okay, this one have a website. So, and they have a lot of reviews. So definitely people are actually visiting them to buy from there. That is that for Google My Business. And also, if you want to use the social media platforms such as Instagram to reach out to brands who might actually need your service as well. So there are different ways in which you can use to reach out to business using the Instagram. But due to the fact that I'm making use of social media platform website design as an example, so definitely we are still going to use website design on Instagram to see the kind of brands that might actually need your service, or that you have a website for their business. So yeah, I'm on my Instagram account. So how do I reach out to people to help them on their website? Actually, the way I used to reach out on my own niche as a YouTube manager or YouTube promotion service, so I used to type in YouTube as a keyword on my Instagram account. Then once I type in that, I will be able to see different people that make use of YouTube on their posts. So then I'll reach out to them and send them a message if they actually need my service online. So I'm trying to search to look for YouTube hashtag. Okay, here we have it. So I have reached out to people using this feature, and some of them will reply me and some of them will not give a response at all. So but everywhere is still cool, because I'm not going to give up due to the fact that I know what I'm actually looking for. So I can reach out to almost all these people here. Probably they are going to needed my service as a YouTube promotion, because they use the YouTube hashtag. So definitely they are going to be interested in promoting their YouTube channel. So, and if you are kind of like a website designer, the way I think it's best for you is reaching out to people like sneakers. So you reach out to them, probably they are kind of like interested in having a website for their business, so you're going to reach out to them. So there are a lot of people, there are a lot of posts here, so you can see 45 million. So definitely all of them cannot have a website for their business. So let's check on this one and see if they have a website for their business. So okay, so I'm not sure if they have website though. Let's check on this link tree. I think having this kind of followers, so definitely they should have a website. Just thinking though. Let me check here. I think this is their website. So they have a website for their business. So definitely these are the way we are going to reach out to business. And I would like to check to see an example so that you're able to get the whole idea of how you can actually do it in the right way. So let's take on this. Okay, they have a website too. Sorry. Okay, so they have a website as well. Wow. So how about this? I think this does not have a website, so you can reach out to them and send them a DM and tell them why they should create or have a website for their business. So I'm very sure they are going to be interested in hiring you and design a website for them. And if they are kind of like not trusting you, so you can send them your portfolio or your freelancing profile on Fiverr or Upwork, so that they'll be able to believe you and also have trust in you while designing their website for them. So with all this being said, I think there is a way whereby you can actually increase your earnings as a freelancer from other platforms to increase your earnings either monthly or weekly basis by offering some service aside from all these freelancing websites. So I think these two ways will also help you to make more money online. So thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one.